Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are continuing our bread baking series, and this is a recipe for coconut bread. I found this on a recipe from Recipes from the Bahamas, so I wanted to try it out. Let's get started.
First of all, our ingredients. We need 3 cups or 375 grams of flour, 2 cups or 200 grams shredded coconut, 1 cup or 200 grams of sugar, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons melted butter, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or 1 tablespoon vanilla sugar, 1 cup or 225 milliliters of milk. Add all the dry ingredients to a large mixing bowl: flour, coconut, sugar, baking powder, salt, nutmeg, and vanilla sugar if you're using that. Briefly combine. In a smaller bowl, crack the eggs and beat them briefly. Add melted butter and milk to the eggs and combine. Add the wet mixture to the dry ingredients and stir until all the dry has been touched with the wet. The batter will be quite sticky and thick. Pour the batter into a greased bread pan and smooth the top flat. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 50 to 65 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. This bread should remove fairly easily from the pan. Cut into slices. This is a lovely quick bread. It reminds me a bit of banana bread with some extra texture. Also, this bread dries out very quickly, so I advise you to keep it in a plastic bag to keep it fresh for the longest amount of time. I hope you enjoyed this easy coconut bread recipe today. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for more recipes.